There's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change this text that appears into all of the products that we add on WooCommerce WordPress eCommerce plugin, okay? So imagine the following scenario. You made your shop, you installed WooCommerce, you set up your payment gateway, but into the shopping experience, customers gonna see your products and gonna click on Add to Cart, but this button honestly makes no sense. It should be purchase now, buy now, something like Amazon does, okay? How to do this for free into a simple, elegant, and effective method? This is what I'm gonna learn through this video. And into this video, I'm gonna share you more tips in order to make better customer experience while buying into your shop, okay? Let's get this started. First thing, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not used internet and sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard. I'm gonna start assuming that you already have WooCommerce plugin installed, you already have products made. If not, go to Visual Model or go to youtube.com, search for Visual Model WooCommerce, and find our playlist full of tutorials explaining how to use every part of WooCommerce. After this, review this left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard, hover mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin submenu. Into the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field called Search Plugins. Click on it and type Direct Checkout for WooCommerce. Here is the guide that we're going to be installing. We're going to click on Install Now, and then we're going to click on Activate. Mine is already active, so nothing to worry. After activating the plugin, you're going to be redirected to this page. There is the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And from here, you can see the plugin. Now, review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard once again. Hover a mouse over WooCommerce and click on Direct Checkout. Right here, we're gonna click on Products tab, okay? We have General, Archives, Product, Checkout, Premium, Documentation, and Suggestions. Click on Products. Replace Add to Cart text. Please, yes. Replace Add to Cart text content. Right here, you can type the content that you want, okay? You can type purchase, buy now, or something on your country language, okay? Hit the Save Change button. Now let's review the products. Now, as you can see, instead of the Add to Cart button, we have the Purchase button present on your site. Simple, easy, and very effective, don't you think? Let me know into the comment section below. Feel free to use the comment section in the case that you have any question as well. Don't forget to check out our Anzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, Growth with TWs, okay? Our Borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that you can install on your site to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Our Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your sites, or apps, or landing page, or game designs. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while on your site, go to visualmodel.com, purchase the Visual Model Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. All the best!